Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Zilla. It's basically it's a cute version of Zilla. It is Godzilla essentially from the 1997 movie. It's kind of hard to draw this cute, but we will do this. So it's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. I'm going to be using this marker, and I'm going to be using just regular printing paper. So that is pretty much it. Let's get started. Ooh, also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification if you like Godzilla, you like kaijus, you like, learning how to draw any of that stuff, or you like learning how to draw, cool characters like Among Us characters, Pokemon characters, Fortnite, any of that stuff will be on here. All right, let's get going here. So Zilla, curve line here. For the top of the head, he's got a very flat head. All right. Down here. I'm gonna draw a dot on that to make it look cuter, because it's really hard to make this version of Godzilla look cute. Draw it for the nostril. Teeth. Open mouth. He looks like a crocodile, honestly. That's kind of what he looks like. I actually really like this version of Godzilla, honestly, but other people really didn't like it. I guess because he doesn't look as Godzilla-y. Looks more like a dinosaur. Curve down. He's got that chin thing going on here. Pull up. Curve. Alright. Curve line around that corner. Because he's got this famous pose here where he's like turning to the left. And over here I'm going to draw, like, again, this is going to be his back. And then pull up. Like so. Alright. Gonna have his arms. Well, first thing I'm doing, gonna have his leg come out. His leg come out over here. Knee downward. Leg over here. And then he's gonna have the big old like feet there. Big old feet. Curve. We're gonna put the nails first, honestly. That's what I like doing. Drawing these horn-like, it looks like a horn or something, but it's really the nails. Curve over here. I actually just got the animated series of Godzilla. That's pretty cool. The one from, I think 2003. I collect everything Godzilla, whether it be Blu-ray or DVD. So I got that. So that's his foot. Pulling in. I'm gonna pull in there. Pull in. So I got his. I need his waist first. But then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw his arm. His arm is all huge. He's got that same kind of T-Rex arm, but it's like long. Down here, and it goes back. Back. He's got that one arm. Close off this end of the body. He's gonna have the other arm come out over here, same thing. Leg down to make that cool kind of famous pose that he has. Over here. So you see he's got that one leg back there. I'm gonna find the nail here. And now we gotta make him look Godzilla-y, which is gonna be because of the spikes. Right here. They're kind of small at the top, like of his head over here, as they're at this point. And then they're obviously a lot larger on his back here. So on his back they're way larger. And it's kind of what right there, like so. We could always make his tail a little bit longer, like extend that a little bit. And then he's got like little tiny spikes here at the, like, kind of like all over the other parts of his back. You could also draw some lines here, because he has some folding going on. You draw curved lines here, curved line, you know, draw these lines here to show that he has texture on his body. Right? These are always good for that. And at this point, he's pretty much done. What you could do is you could draw like a thicker line over here to make certain things come forward. Usually I do it all around the border, but you could actually just kind of do it here. You just do it here to kind of make, you know, make it obvious that this is more closer to us than the other one. And I'm also going to throw a thicker line around the border. Thicker line on the border here. Alrighty. Sit easy. But again, you know, that is Zilla. Zilla is, you know, again, that version of Godzilla from the 1997 American movie. So I really hope you like that. You know, that is a very different one. A lot of people don't really want to draw this version of him, but I did. I thought it was cute. Got another spike back there. I think it's very cute, and I think people should. I don't know. I don't hate that version of Godzilla, but go look at it if you don't know what I'm talking about, and you just like Godzilla. I know they really don't. People really don't like that version of Godzilla. So, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Put some more nails on there, a little bit, just a little bit. You are amazing. Like I said, share the video. Press like if you liked it. If you liked it, and you want me to draw more obscure stuff like this, absolutely press that like button, because then it's going to let me know what to draw more of, okay? Thank you so much. You are amazing, and I will see you in the next video. You've been awesome. Call me by name. My name is Enrique. You can call me by name in the comment section. If you need help, I will help you out with anything that you want. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? See you soon.